Grand Rising. Doo 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 doo. What bumbuckle I make gonna give you why?
Because I'm gonna get a brand new car.
Babe want a TLX. Good morning, my beautiful people. Today is Cars and Coffee 90s, 80s, JDM, something like that. I have no idea. It's mad early in the morning. We on like 3 hours of sleep. I finally got my seatbelt installed properly, so we're good there.
Your phone and wallet?
Phone, check. Wallet, check. We're good to go. Ready for takeoff, brother.
Babe said he topped off.
Pause. Pause, Hansie. That was kind of funny. I said I topped off the oil. Babe said he topped off the oil. I just put $30 worth of gas. All I have to say to that is, man, thanks, Obama.
Huh?
If I say Joe Byron, they gonna be like, what?
They're gonna come looking for you and kill you.
They gonna be like, yeah, Zosh isn't a lefty. I ain't none of that, bro. I just want cheap gas. You a righty. No, you're a lefty. I'm ambidextrous, bitch. Whoever get about to go, you see that homie B13 Sintra
With the trailer.
got the trailer just in case. God damn, that's loud.
He's a smart man.
Let's see if what we get today on the vlog. First off, we got the homie Ichi, and we got Job Skunt, me guy. Oh, this is nice. Ooh, ooh, wee. Oh man, I don't know how much crack I got to sell to buy one of these. I'm doing some research, and I figured out last night that if you add an intake arm with a filter, but an arm with a filter to your turbo, it makes more cool of noises. I never knew that. Now that I know that, I might end up doing that. I don't know. We'll see if we have the space for it. But this is beautiful, bro. This is well executed. Gorgeous. Make an offer for the CRX.
500.
The Randy 500? Man, gonna tell you, suck your mother.
I'll trade it by a Accord.
This thing is nice. Damn, I don't think I brought my extra battery, so. You don't see this every day. Rotary swapped S13. Wow, you really don't see that every day. Look at this. 4P walker. That's awesome. That is awesome. I'm assuming this is the House of Color Orange that they did. That's a beautiful S2. Oh wait, that's the, oh wow. That's my boy old S2. Yeah, I see that. That's dope. This is cool. This is cool. Look at that. My dog Dustin Williams out here. Gotta get Shane on the vlog. He said I gotta get him on the vlog. So Shane, there you go, player. Don't sell it though. If you do sell, I got 500. Yeah. Hey, buy me a Supra.
No.
No? You gotta say yeah on camera so people think you're nice to me.
TLX.
You wanna get a TLX? Yeah, she's really adamant on buying a TLX Type S. She want a Type S TLX. I say go for it. I say go for it. Sup, bruh? Sup, bruh? Yeah. One day, bruh, one day. Don't see these every day at all. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. That is beautiful. You're so cool. The coolest guy I ever met, dog. I catch you with you. Oh, look at that boy, Keem. I think those are my OTEs right there. If I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure those are my OTEs. You got them on? You clicked it. There, they look damn. Man, babe, we're just vibing right now. We are actually the people that actually bring chairs to car events now. That's it, bro. Moving on from going forward from now, anytime I do like an event, like a thing like this, well, not like this, but like an actual car show, I'm gonna give me a vent. I'm gonna order me a tent, set my tent up there. That's it, bro. That's it. Y'all wanna say what up to your Ben Noah? Pull up, bro.
We're gonna try those wings though.
Yeah, them wings over there look kind of fire. Probably could take like a little to go, little 6-piece to go. You feel me?
No, I'm gonna get a 12-piece.
Yeah, you wanna get a 12-piece?
Yeah, and you're gonna pay for it.
Let me cut this camera off so I can address this situation real quick. Say what up to the vlog.
Can I get a huh yeah?
Yeah, hell no. That's too bad. Move up, dog. Can I get a Evo? One day, bro. Oh, with the baby in the back. Oh no, that's gold, bro. That's gold.
Come on, my dad. Shout out to Percy for this video.
Yeah, Jake's the GOAT.
I'm famous.
Not yet. One day, dog.
You snap.
One day, brother. Oh yeah, look at that. That's gorgeous. And then look at that. Yeah, puppy. Yeah. The Lord is my shepherd, and He knows what I want.
What Lord is that? I'm just
Lord,
I know
God. I want it so bad.
I like it.
That's so beautiful. That's nice.
Those shits are bad.
Those shits are beautiful, boy.
I think that shit.
He got a Ferrari sticker.
Started this gangsta shit, and this the motherfucking thanks I give.
That is embarrassing, bro. Is it a black girl? All she has to do is just drive, though. That's hilarious. Ooh, that is beautiful. Dude, I've never seen one close up. This is crazy. 8 batteries in the back. All chrome. That's beautiful. The most important meal of the day is hot wings. Gotta show love to my best friend, Renardo. Hi, best friend. All right, bye, best friend. Love you, Renardo. I love your wheels. They're cute. So this is the car baby girl wants to get for her. But the markup is crazy. So hopefully I can talk to somebody at Acura and see what we can do. Damn. Oh look, P2R. That's cool. That's awesome, man. You ready to work on something like this, Bang?
What?
Work on something like this?
You mean you?
Me? You mean Randy?
This is so beautiful.
Dude, this shit nice. I like the color too. But I prefer white. Can you imagine baby girl in a TLX Type S? I don't care. That damn payment gonna suck yourself down. I love this car. Spoon wheels, Mugen front lip. Oh, it's so nice. I just wish it was white. If it was white, I'd want it. Oh, look at the system in the back. That's beautiful. It's nice.
We got one girl.
Yo, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, instead of me being incognito, you can't see a player, I finally received my mounting bracket in the mail from HBT Autosport. Shout out to HBT for fast ass shipping, bruh. This ain't a sponsored ad, none of that, but I'm just showing love to HBT. I ordered this actually on eBay from their store, and it came in like 2 days. But I have what I need in order to mock up and mount the boost controller. And speaking of which, I already have it I guess adapter on. I got two 90-degree fittings, a straight, and I also extended the wire to route up to the ECU and to, I guess, a power or ground. So I'm not too sure which well goddamn. Huh? I'm not entirely too sure if it's one is a ground or a power. I mean, obviously you need power and ground, but I don't know if the power, what, doesn't matter? I'm retarded. Never mind. I'm thinking what I'm gonna end up doing to mounting up this boost controller. Oh, there's a thread hole right there. Money. Oh Oh snap! There's a thread hole right there. So that's exactly where I'm gonna run. Bruh, shout out to Honda, bruh. Little did they know that maybe goddamn 75 to 85, 95 years later, a young black kid named Zosh is gonna mount up his damn boost controller right where they plummeted a hole right there. Appreciate y'all for, you know, looking out for me, bruh. Not bad for 20 bucks. I mean, you could easily make it yourself, but you know what I mean. Not bad for 20 bones. All right, so what I did is I ran all of my boost wire stuff. Oh wait, did I tuck it underneath that one? Oh, nope, I gotta tuck it underneath that one. Hold on. But basically what I did, I drilled 2 little small holes in there, like little pilot holes inside that thing right there. And then I just fed my wires through there. So it's like a nice little neat installation. I got my wastegate plummeted to the boost controller. I got the turbo plummeted, as you can see right here, to the boost controller. I'm putting this down so there's a lot of heat like that. I don't want the heat from this to mess with that, so I probably know, like, I don't know, take it away like that, but I don't know. But anyway, everything is ran. Now I went by JB's place yesterday and I picked up, well, he created me a 20 gauge wire with that mil spec, Armith spec wire right there with the ECU pin already on it. So I just gotta plug that into B21. Now, if you're K-swapped like I am, or maybe if you're not even K-swapped, but I believe if you just have the 0204 RSX ECU anyway, if you're running Hyundai, the pin B21 is a blank slot on your white plug. The white plug from your engine harness, I have a Y-Works harness, and the white plug over here, which would be this one, B21, you guys can't see it, but I have an image on the screen where B21 is, and that plug is basically the plug you'd want to plug in your one of your wires from your boost controller into. And I also ordered this fuse thing, it's on the screen, and once I get in the mail today, everything will be set up, everything will be done. Only thing I gotta wait on is brake pads, and then I can put the Rega masters on, and then my car is back, and then we're good to go. We're good to go. But as far as the boost controller being set up and everything, we are Gucci tater. There's a company out there called Burton Racing that sells, I think, a Mac 3 port or maybe a Mac 4 port. I'm not too. I think those two options are the only 2 options, but it's a full plug and play, no cutting, no splicing, nothing, complete plug and play. So if that's interest to you, be sure to check them out. This is not sponsored. I'm just showing love to companies that make shit simplified and easier for everybody. You know what I mean? It's crazy that, like, anytime you plug a company, people are like, oh, that must be sponsored. Why can't it just be some dope shit that you want to promote? You know what I mean? It's crazy. We're living in that day and age, bruh. These past like 4 days, 5 days, I've been like really weird lately because I've been like filming. I have like 3 incomplete videos that I don't know how I'm going to put in an order for you guys. Basically, as of right now, my boost controller stuff, what I've been working on prior clips to this one, have been boost controller stuff. Well, that's all done, taken care of. If you ever want to know how to do it, it's I think I had it on the screen. But when you remove this plug, there's a safety switch on the back of this plug. Let me see if I can zoom in. You're gonna need a pig tool to pry up this back piece, or this white piece right here. It's not focusing, it's like going in and out of focus. Pick up, and then the ECU pin would just slide right in. That's in there nice and secure. These 2 gotta go together, and then it has boost by gear ready to go, and I just gotta do the power, which would be through this thing. But I ordered the wrong one. This is for like small harnesses, like, I mean not harness, but small pins, and it would work, but I just opted to order the right one, which comes tomorrow. Today is Memorial Day, so happy Memorial Day. Do you say happy Memorial Day? But shout out to all the vets out there. We appreciate you. Thanks to everyone who's in service right now. I appreciate you. We as a country appreciate you. Thank you. All these clips have no audio. I can't believe this, bruh. No audio. And now we're speaking some stuff right here, dog.
Didn't you say you were
making a thing? Yeah, it's all right here.
Inspiration thing?
Not inspiration. I was just talking about, like, I don't know. It was just more like self-reflecting and stuff. But there's no audio.
Of your career?
Yeah, stuff like that.
Damn, it was meant to be, babe.
But it was like good stuff to talk about. Like, it wasn't bad. And all of it's